Essential cybersecurity tips for work. Ready to supercharge your cybersecurity knowledge and become a digital defender? Today I will discuss tips for using technology at work. Let's get started. 1. Protect your accounts with strong and unique passwords. First up, let's talk about the fortress that guards your digital kingdom. Passwords. Using strong and unique passwords for all your work-related accounts is an absolute must. Say goodbye to 123,456 or password and embrace complexity. We'll also reveal a nifty trick to manage all your passwords securely. 2. Add an extra layer of security with multi-factor authentication. But wait, there's more. To add an extra layer of protection, we'll explore the world of multi-factor authentication, MFA. It's like having a high-tech bouncer for your accounts, ensuring only you get access. Learn how to enable MFA and keep those cyber criminals at bay. 3. Keep your devices and software up to date. Ready for some tech TLC? Your operating systems and applications need regular attention too. We'll show you why keeping everything up to date is crucial for protecting against sneaky cyber threats. 4. Beware of phishing emails and suspicious attachments. Email is the cornerstone of modern communication, but also a playground for hackers. Don't worry, we've got your back. Don't click any spam link and don't give your personal information to any spam link, including OTP and passwords. 5. Avoid public Wi-Fi and use a VPN for secure connections. On the go, working remotely or in public spaces, it's time to whip out your digital shield. We'll delve into secure Wi-Fi connections and how using a VPN can safeguard your data even on sketchy networks. Public Wi-Fi can be a hacker's playground, warned cybersecurity analyst. 6. Secure your devices physically. Your devices can't guard themselves, but we've got some tips to keep them out of harm's way. From preventing physical theft to ensuring secure device disposal, we've got you covered. 7. Only download software from trusted sources. Unapproved software, a no-go zone. Find out why sticking to the company's software policies is essential to maintaining a hacker-resistant fortress around your digital work environment. 8. Regularly back up your important data. Accidents happen, but data loss doesn't have to be catastrophic. Discover the art of data backup. It's like creating digital insurance policies for your precious files. 9. Be wary of social engineering tactics. Have you ever been tricked into revealing sensitive information? Don't be ashamed. It happens to the best of us. We'll reveal common social engineering tactics and how to defend yourself against these cunning manipulations. Social engineering is a technique used by cybercriminals to manipulate individuals into revealing sensitive information. It can happen to anyone, regardless of their level of tech savviness. Embrace the cybersecurity culture. It's not just a checklist, it's a mindset. Emphasized IT professional. Congratulations on completing our cybersecurity journey. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay secure and stay curious. Thank you for joining us today. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech-tastic content.